From the North Shore to the South Shore this morning, the Sewage and Water Board says it has plenty of power to run the city's pumps during today's rain, something, of course, we are keeping a close eye on.
And Rachel Hanley is watching streets around the metro area this morning, specifically on Carrollton and I-10. Rachel, we're hoping this won't be a problem for much longer. Good morning to you. What are you seeing there?
Good morning. Yeah, not seeing too much so far. Like Peyton said, the rain has mostly held off here on the South Shore. I will say the wind has started picking up a little bit more, and we are starting to see more lightning, hear more thunder. But at this point, flooding definitely still not a big concern here. But as you mentioned, we are on Carrollton Avenue with the I-10 underpass right behind me, and we're watching this today because 2 of the 3 pumps that drain this underpass, this very busy underpass, are out right now. The Sewage and Water Board says it has a temporary pump in place, but all of this was the case 2 weeks ago whenever we had that other period of heavy rain, and this underpass flooded. It took hours for it to drain, and it was impassable and blocked off that entire time. So it's something we'll be keeping a close eye on today. We're also looking for reports of street flooding. The only one we've seen so far, and these come from the automatic flood sensors that the city has placed around the area, is in the lower 9th Ward. That's at St. Claude and Gordon. So far, that's the only one. Again, the rain really has not been too much of a concern here so far this morning. But while we're keeping an eye on it, we're also going to be keeping an eye on those pumps as well. The majority of them are working in the city, and all the underpass pumps besides this one behind me will be working too. On Carrollton Avenue, Rachel Hanley, WWL Louisiana.
All right, Rachel, you and Troy be careful. And as is customary in the city of New Orleans, when the threat of severe weather is big, neutral ground parking does take effect, and it is in effect in the city until tomorrow night at 7. A reminder, though, if you do choose to park your vehicle up, you cannot block any intersections, streetcar tracks, or sidewalks, bike paths too. Before getting on the road, you can also check the street flooding. Rachel was telling us that she had just checked and things were looking good, but you can check for yourself at streetwisenola.gov.